Hi, my name is Prithvi. This is weird talking to you. Anyway, my name is Prithvi and I'm currently 18 years old, turning 19 in a couple of days. I've been wanting to document my life for a long time now, and I think it's finally come to reality. It's been a long journey, from paper to phone to imagination, and finally from imagination into reality, into existence. Out of all the content I've consumed online, on YouTube, on Instagram, anywhere, I felt that there was a gap. The gap which I'm in. Turning from teenage into adulthood, which is, it's a phase which not a lot of people talk about. And I felt that it was necessary for someone to complete that gap. There are so many people on the internet, who post videos, who post photos of their successful life. And us normal people who are, turning who are teenagers currently and turning into adults, who are, at the age of somewhere between 18, 19 and 20, they feel so, left out. Or they look at these pictures, these videos of successful people, and they feel that, we should also be that successful, and we expect us to become that in, a couple of days or a couple of weeks or a couple of months. But it's just not like that. And I really wanted to, showcase how difficult it is and how long of a process it is to go from one phase to another. Talking about phases, I feel it's, such a weird thing. Sometimes you're just, you start in a single phase, okay? You're in a phase, you're a completely different character. You go into that phase, you change with the people around you. You build yourself in a way that's different than other phases of life. And just like that, you take a deep breath, and the next thing you know, you're already moving from that phase. It's time you move from that phase into another one. And I don't know, that thought just makes me, wonder how no one has ever made videos about it or talked about it. How difficult it is to move from one phase to another. The whole point of this channel is that I want to document everything that happens in my life henceforth. I want to show how you change from one phase to another, be it anywhere you go. I want to improve day by day, trying to achieve what I've been wanting to achieve. And I want you guys to be a part of it as well. I think it just takes, that one small step so that you can make a difference for yourself and even for the people around you. I hope you guys have liked the video. I don't know, maybe I'm just philosophizing too much in this video, but yeah, that's it, raw as it gets. Anyway, signing off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below if you want, if there's something that clicked you off or something you don't want in the next video, or how you want things to happen. But as far as it gets, I'm gonna just document everything that happens in my life, put it on YouTube, not to show off or anything, just because I don't know, it just gives me a feeling, that whenever I see some moments happen or see something happening, it feels like I really need to document this. And I think YouTube is a great platform where you can put your thoughts through about the things going on in life. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next video.